thank you for tuning in to Reliance Guyana once again. Today we're going to be making some curry, some catfish curry. As you can see here, we have some nice catfish and we have the egg also. So we're going to be making some delicious curry, guys. We're going to be making, cooking some rice to go with that today. So let's get started. So we have our rice cooking here ready, guys. And we're gonna go get the fish ready to make the curry now. Alright guys, so we're gonna wash out the fish, finish cutting up and so on. You can just wash this out and we'll get going with the curry. Alright, so we're gonna start cutting up our seasonings now, starting with the onion. Yeah, so this is a big onion. We're only using a little less than half there. So we have blended the garlic and the pepper here, guys. Now we have one to throw in the curry, one raw pepper there. So we're adding that to make our curry paste there. So that's the blended garlic and pepper and the curry powder, geera, garam masala, and some turmeric. In the meanwhile, you can hear our rice is bubbling away there. Alright. We just added some water to the rice. Okay, adding some oil here, guys. Onion first. As usual, I'm gonna fry this up a little bit. We're starting our curry paste now. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 minutes. As you can see, our curry is cooked. Add a little bit of salt there. And now we're gonna add our fish. So as usual, you want to coat all your pieces, all the ingredients with the curry paste. I'll let it bunjay. So the egg, we'll have to prepare the egg separately and then add it here later. So we're gonna show you how we do that. Just covering this for now. Let it bunche. Okay guys, so let's give this curry a turn here now. Been bungeing for about 5 minutes or so. Adding some water now. Alright, so that's looking good. Add a pepper. We're adding 2 very pepper here. Oh, by the way, we're adding some Sijan to this as well. Catfish curry and Sijan. It's boss. I know the last time we cooked Sijan, someone said they don't know what it is. So they call them drumsticks here in North America. But Sijan is a popular thing to put in curry in Guyana. Some salt to taste. And covering it back now. And let it cook. So see you in a bit. Okay, so here's our egg. You had to steam out the egg a little bit, boil it a little bit separately in some water and some salt. And we're gonna add that to our curry now. So there you go. Alright. Cover this back now. So see you in a bit, guys. Alright guys, so as you know, fish doesn't take very long to cook. Our fish curry is done now. Ready? Look at that. Looking yum. So I'm gonna go dig into a little bit of this here now. Can't wait. There's some scallions here. Wow. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go try a little bit of this here now. Just trying a little bit. I know this is not a full portion, so I'll try one piece of the fish. A little surwa. So you guys saw we use the Sijan in the Edo curry too. So Sijan is used in a lot of curries. So there you go. That's enough to try. So I'll go dig into this.
Jag take a pepper.
Alright guys, so it's time to dig in here. So I have one of the junk, the meaty part of the fish. I'm salivating. Smell alone of the curry makes you salivate. Making sure I got no bones in there. But yeah, nice, delicious. Catfish is a delicious fish. I like it more than many other that you have there. But yeah, good. Sijan. Yeah, very good. So that's it for this video, guys. You gotta dig in a little pepper here too. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to give it a like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And as always, thanks for watching. See you guys.